Hey beauty lovers! Ever wondered how to achieve flawless skin without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of essential oils and how they can elevate your skincare routine. In a sea of complicated beauty products, simplicity is refreshing. Essential oils are nature's little miracles, offering powerful benefits for your skin, and they're super easy to incorporate into your daily regimen. 1. Tea tree oil is a game-changer for stubborn breakouts. Its natural antibacterial properties help clear acne without harsh chemicals. Just apply a drop or two on a cotton swab, and you'll be amazed at the results too. If your skin gets irritated or red, lavender oil is your best friend. Its calming effects help reduce redness. Mix a few drops with your favorite moisturizer and enjoy the soothing benefits. 3. Want to keep your skin looking youthful? Frankincense oil promotes cell regeneration and helps diminish the appearance of fine lines. Just add a drop to your nighttime cream for an overnight boost. 4. Looking for that radiant glow? Lemon oil can beautifully brighten your complexion. Mix a drop with your daily moisturizer, but remember to use it at night, as it can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. 5. Feeling a bit dull? Peppermint oil provides a cool, refreshing sensation that invigorates your skin. Add a couple of drops to your cleanser to awaken your complexion. Choose 1 or 2 essential oils that suit your skin's needs. Mix a drop or 2 with your regular moisturizer or a carrier oil like coconut oil. Apply it to your face, focusing on areas that need extra care. Always do a patch test first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively. Remember to dilute essential oils before applying them directly to your skin, they're potent. Always perform a patch test on a small area to avoid unwanted reactions. If you have sensitive skin, it's wise to consult with a dermatologist before trying new oils. Ready to give your skin the love it deserves? Start experimenting with these essential oils today and watch your skincare routine transform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty hacks. Your skin will thank you. Hey everyone! Ready to unlock that radiant glow? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of essential oils with some quick and easy DIY recipes. Let's get your skin looking fabulous. In our busy lives, many of us seek simple, natural ways to enhance our skincare. Essential oils not only improve your skin's appearance but also promote a holistic approach to beauty and wellness. The best part? You can easily whip these up at home. 1. Lavender essential oil is perfect for relaxation and calming irritated skin. Just a few drops mixed into your moisturizer can help reduce redness and promote healing. 2. If you're battling acne, tea tree oil is a fantastic ally due to its strong antibacterial properties. Simply mix a couple of drops with a carrier oil, like jojoba oil, and dab it on blemishes to help clear them up. 3. Want to keep your skin looking youthful? Frankincense oil is renowned for its anti-aging benefits. Just add a few drops to your night cream to help diminish the appearance of fine lines. 1. Add 3 drops of lavender oil to 1 ounce of your favorite moisturizer and apply it daily after cleansing. 2. Combine 2 drops of tea tree oil with 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil and apply this mixture to problem areas once a day. 3. Mix 2 drops of frankincense oil into your night cream and use it every evening for the best results. Always do a patch test before using any essential oil to avoid allergic reactions. Remember, never apply essential oils directly to your skin without mixing them with a carrier oil, as they can be too potent. So there you have it. Simple DIY recipes using essential oils to help your skin glow. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. What's your favorite essential oil? Would love to hear from you in the comments. Hey there, beautiful. Are you ready to give your skin the love it deserves? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of essential oil infusions that can easily transform your skincare routine. Skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling amazing in your own skin. With countless products available, it can be overwhelming. But what if I told you some of the best solutions are right in your pantry? Natural ingredients like essential oils can elevate your beauty routine while being gentle on your skin and the environment. 1. Lavender essential oil isn't just calming, it's fantastic for soothing irritated skin. A few drops can reduce redness and promote restful sleep, which is vital for healthy skin too. If blemishes are a concern, tea tree oil is your new best friend. Known for its antibacterial properties, it can help clear up acne. Just remember to dilute it with a carrier oil first. Your skin will thank you. 3. Want to maintain that youthful glow? Frankincense oil can improve skin tone and minimize fine lines. A little goes a long way, so mix just a drop with your moisturizer for an extra boost. 4. If your skin feels dry, rose essential oil is a fantastic hydrator. Packed with antioxidants, it helps lock in moisture. Add a few drops to your lotion or facial oil for a refreshing treat. 5. Looking for that natural glow? Lemon essential oil can brighten your skin. Just be cautious, this oil can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight, so it's best to use it at night and always wear sunscreen during the day. Ready to get started? Here's a quick guide. 1. Pick a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil. 2. In a small bowl, combine 2 to 3 drops of your chosen essential oil with a teaspoon of carrier oil. 3. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin, focusing on areas that need extra care. Now you're all set to enjoy the benefits of essential oils in your skincare routine. Sure. Here's the improved version of your script chunk. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin, focusing on areas that need a little extra love. Essential oils are potent, so always dilute them with a carrier oil to prevent irritation. Before trying any new oil, do a patch test on a small area of skin to check for reactions. Some oils, like lemon, can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, so use those at night. And there you have it. Simple and effective ways to enhance your skincare routine with essential oils.